Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create a channel on WhatsApp easily, and I will also show you how to create a WhatsApp channel if create channel option is not showing on your device. First of all, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel if you have the option of create channel on your WhatsApp. This feature is not available for all WhatsApp users at the moment. So go to the updates option in your WhatsApp, and here you will see a plus icon in front of channels. Here you will see a option of create channel and find channel. So tap on create channel. Now write your channel name and also write little bit description about your channel. For example, if your channel is about tech related, so write description about tech, and after writing description tap on create channel. Now it is creating channel. As you can see on your screen that I have created a channel on my WhatsApp successfully, and below your channel name you will see a option of share link. So you can also share link of your newly created WhatsApp channel, and you can also add your profile photo on your channel. Now I will show you how to get create channel option if this option is not available in your WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp application on your device and tap on three dots top right corner of your WhatsApp. Now tap on settings, scroll down and tap on help. In help, tap on help center. It will take you to the official website of the WhatsApp in your browser. And in help center, write how to create a WhatsApp channel in search box and tap on search button. Here on the top you will see a option of how to create a WhatsApp channel. Tap on it. Here on the top you will see a option of Android. Tap on it and select the category of your device. There are many options like Android, iPhone or web and desktop. Tap on cancel to go back. Scroll down. Here you can see the process of how to create WhatsApp channel. Now scroll up. Here you will see a option of join wait list. Tap on it and you can see that there is clearly written that you will be notified when WhatsApp channel is available for you. Now tap on join wait list. It will take you to download WhatsApp if you have already installed WhatsApp application on your device. So don't need to do anything. Just update WhatsApp application on your device and restart your device. Hopefully you will get this feature, but if you are not seeing this option on your device, so you have to wait for minimum 24 hours and you will be notified by WhatsApp once create channel option is available for you. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.